Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Facebook Messenger. This tutorial is for Android phones. It may or may not work for iOS or Windows devices. So here I have my Android phone. I am going to go through the apps and look for Play Store. In some phones, the Play Store app is put inside a folder by default, so you might want to look for a folder named Google. Once you have opened Play Store, click on the search bar on the top and search Messenger. You are going to click on this one and then press Install. It will take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once it is downloaded, wait for it to install. Then go to your mobile menu and you will find it in there. Open it, and it will ask you to log into your Facebook account. If you have already logged in, it will load up the Messenger and ask you to continue as whatever your profile name is. So, this is how to install Facebook Messenger on Android. I hope this video was of help.